Good location, 2 minutes walk to the MRT entrance. Room is clean. Staff is good. Good place to recommend to stay at. Pleasant stay. The staff were helpful. The location was very good. Walking distance to the MRT, 5 minutes or less. The rooms were clean with basic amenities. There was a variety of choices for breakfast. Definitely recommended. Location is big advantage. The location is very good. So close to MRT STS. Room is good. Breakfast is so-so. There is so many store around the hotel like Carrefour, H&M, Zara, Uniqlo, Mall. Exceptional good location, clean and spacious. Exceptional good. Exceptional very convenient for visitors as the subway station just round the corner. Counter staff are nice and polite. Exceptional. Spacious room with good service and helpful staff at reception. However, the breakfast offer disposable / one-off utensils due to hygiene concern, but it is quite not environmental friendly. Hope Hotel can make a remark on their website. Fantastic stay. The location was excellent, nearby to metro station and right beside a mall. The facilities were top-notch, and the rooms are spacious. Overall, good value for money and highly recommended. I love this hotel. This hotel is the best near to MRT and shopping malls and restaurants. Very convenient and the staff is very approachable. Great location. Quick access to metro and bus stop makes the place a good stay. Convenience stores are nearby. Good eateries such as ramen and bakery nearby meant you're spoilt for choice with food. Great. Hotel location is great. Cleanliness level was good too. Eco Green Hotel. So shampoo, toiletries were self-help from ground floor except towels and toilet roll which were supplied by cleaning staff. Great place to stay. MRT is only 3 minutes away. So convenient to move around Taipei. Much shopping and F&B around the hotel.